Hey guys, I know it's been long since we made our other video, but we're only making this video because we got a flash flood.
Oh, it smells so good out here.
Warning, and I don't know. This is a lot for where we at.
Yeah, you like this rain?
I don't think they like that. I don't think they do. See, you can't really see the rain, but if I zoom in, you can actually do. See, look at all that rain.
Look at that park.
So
It looks so good.
just a while ago, like the wind started rushing in, and then there was like water coming off the roof, and it looked like.
And then there was supposed to be a tornado.
No, there wasn't, bro. You're trying to lie. Stop. Smack.
Well.
Anyways, if we get a like on this video, then
Can you use
that
the
would
towel
be.
and then dry off my hair?
Okay. Well, if we get a like on this video, then
You left it warm.
okay. Then I'll get Boog to run in with that, okay? Because we could have another rain, and it could be just like this.
I'll run into it right now.
Oh, that's a nice cat. I want your cat.
Get out of this car.
So go on. Come on, go.
Okay.
Dance around a little bit. Dry off. You look like a mess. Even your hair. Do your crazy face. Okay. And anyways, if you like this video, please give it a like.
Or Tom.
That butt
Stay calm out there, kids. Don't drink, smoke, or
do anything or
Yeah.
drugs.
Yeah.
Because we actually gave $25 to charity. Remember that?
Yeah.
Yesterday.
yesterday? Not like that was 2 days ago.
No, it was yesterday.
I thought it was really less.
Like we said, donate to charity.
Samantha, you got bra. You got 2 bras.
Goodbye. Bye.
Tot, bye.
You're on
If you
camera.
If you play on my phone again, I'll tell you.
Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Show us that butt. Ha! Okay, that's really weird.
Okay, and then go out there and do the trap dance.
Oh, you're gonna do what I did, huh? Yeah. Okay.
Or you can do it. I like friends. I like friends. I like friends.
That's not what I did, but okay. I'm scared. We have like a scented candle, but that does not smell good. Remember when they said, like the people at the charity said, that's all? And yeah, and we were like, no, we're gonna come back soon.
Yeah.
Like she was all smiling. It was kind of hilarious because she was smiling and she was so nice. Trust me. Our grandma knows what she knows. Oh my god. Pray for the cactuses.
Look! Come on, we should have gotten over there.
No. Pray for the cactuses. They're dying with this water. Ooh, they have water. Oh no. Oh no. Who is this?
Nia.
Wow. That's a nice Jeep.
What? What? What?
That's her Jeep? Wait, that's her Jeep? I didn't know that was her Jeep. So, pray for the bugs, because these cactuses are dying. Die, bug. Wasted. Wasted and busted.
Shoot me up.
It started wet. You know,